Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis, but working with large datasets or repetitive tasks can be time-consuming. Python, along with libraries like pandas and openpyxl, allows you to automate many of these processes, making your work more efficient. With the support of ChatGPT, you can quickly generate Python scripts tailored to your specific needs and helping you streamline Excel processing. In this video, we'll explore how to enhance your workflow by automating Excel tasks with Python and ChatGPT. Let's talk about the role of Python in Excel processing first. So Python offers a variety of libraries for working with Excel files. Pandas is widely used for data manipulation, while openpyxl and XLRD are perfect for reading and writing Excel files. These libraries can handle everything from simple data extraction to complex transformations. To start working with Excel files in Python, you first need to load the data. The pandas library makes this task straightforward. Before we begin, we need to create an Excel file. For this, I have created one named data. There are 4 columns: date, sales, category, and status, and there are total 6 rows. Let's save this and move to Google Colab. To begin, let's type this code from ChatGPT. It says import pandas as PD, and then we created a variable named as df. In this line, we load the Excel file into df variable. So this is the file path of our file, and this is the sheet 1. And then we use a print statement to display the first few rows. First, upload the file from the sidebar. Here I've already done. The file name is data.xlsx. This is our file, and we have copied the path and pasted it right here. Now let's run this and see the output. So in this example, we load an Excel file named data.xlx and select the sheet, which is sheet 1. The data is stored in a DataFrame, which is a versatile data structure in pandas. It allows for efficient data manipulation. So these are the 4 columns that were present in our sheet initially, and these are all the 6 rows that we needed. Moving on to data cleaning and transforming. So data cleaning is often necessary before analysis. Python's pandas library provides numerous functions for cleaning and transforming data. Let's create a new cell and paste the text that we created from ChatGPT. Now let's run this and see the output. So here you see that this code drops rows with missing values, converts a column to datetime format, and filters the data based on a condition. These transformations help prepare the data for further analysis. So all the values that were initially null are now replaced with these lines. Moving on to automating repetitive tasks. Python can automate repetitive tasks in Excel, such as updating values across multiple sheets of files. For this, we'll be needing 3 sheets in Excel. First, let's create that and then continue with our example. So this is our sheet 1 of data Excel file. It has 4 columns: date, sales, category, and status. And then there are 2 rows of data. Moving on to sheet 2. So there are 4 columns again and 2 rows. So these 2 values are null for right now. Moving on to sheet 3. So again 4 rows and 2 columns. There are total sales of 750 and 1300 on these 2 dates. Now let's move on to Google Colab and write a code. So in this example, the code loops through the multiple sheets in an Excel file, updates a specific column, and saves the changes to new files. This kind of automation can save hours of manual work. All we have to do is replace this file name with the file path. Moving on to merging multiple Excel files. When working with data spread across multiple Excel files, merging them into a single file can streamline analysis. For this, ask ChatGPT and it will provide a code similar to this. So this code lists all Excel files into the directory, reads them into data frames, and concatenates them into one large data frame. The result is saved as mergedata.xlx, consolidating the data for easier analysis. All you have to do is create a merged file and replace this with the file path. Moving on to generating reports. Python can automate the generation of reports from Excel data, making it easy to summarize and present findings. For this, use the code from ChatGPT that looks like this. Summary df.groupby category.agg, it stands for aggregate, sales, and sum and mean, and then summary.toXL, and then we create a file called summary reports. Here the code groups data by a specific column category, calculates the sum and average of sales, and saves the summary to an Excel file. Automating report generation in this way ensures consistency and saves your time. And with ChatGPT, you can receive real-time assistance while processing Excel files in Python. So whether you are stuck on a specific problem or need to generate code for a unique task, ChatGPT can provide helpful suggestions and custom solutions. So type a prompt in ChatGPT that says, "How do I automate the process of updating an Excel file based on another file using Python?" And ChatGPT might respond you with this code. You create a variable df_main and use the pd.readExcel function, and then you replace this main file with the file path, and then another variable called dfupdate, and you do the same thing again. And then this code updates the main file with data from the updated file. This response from ChatGPT shows how to update an existing Excel file with data from another file. ChatGPT's interactive nature allows you to tailor the solution to your specific needs quickly. Streamlining Excel processing with Python and ChatGPT can significantly improve your efficiency and accuracy when working with data. By automating repetitive tasks, cleaning and transforming data, and generating reports, you can focus on analyzing results rather than managing files. ChatGPT's support further enhances this workflow, providing quick solutions and custom code generation tailored to your specific requirements. By leveraging these tools, you can take your Excel processing to the next level.